If you're comparing Scala hosting versus Hostwinds and wondering which one has better website backup features, you're in the right place. This video is going to break down their offerings so you can decide which is best for you. But stick around till the end, because I've got a surprise for you that could change the game entirely when it comes to your website backups. Let's start with Scala hosting. Scala offers automatic backups, which are great for most users, but here's the thing, they only back up your website on a weekly basis unless you opt for their higher tier plans. For many businesses, weekly backups can be enough, but if you're running a site that updates frequently or holds a lot of sensitive data, that might not be fast enough for your peace of mind. Next thing, Scala hosting offers a one-click restore option. It's a solid feature, but it's only available with their VPS hosting. Shared hosting customers don't get this feature, which could be a deal breaker if you need that extra flexibility. Also, they don't offer incremental backups, meaning if something goes wrong, you could be restoring a lot of unnecessary data that you don't need. Not the most efficient process, especially for high-traffic websites. Now let's talk about Hostwinds. Hostwinds has a similar automatic backup system, but here's where they stand out. They offer daily backups for all hosting plans, including their shared hosting. For many businesses, this could be a significant advantage over Scala, which only gives you weekly backups unless you go up a tier. So, if you're someone who frequently updates content or adds data, Hostwinds might give you the edge in this area. Next thing, Hostwinds offers one-click restore as well, but it goes a step further with incremental backups. This means when you restore your website, you're only pulling in the data that's changed, saving you time and server resources. It's a more efficient system, especially for larger websites that need to be restored quickly. But, and here's the catch, this is only available with their business hosting plan. If you're on a budget, this feature is locked behind a more expensive paywall. The fourth thing worth noting is their backup retention policy. Scala hosting retains backups for 30 days, which is pretty standard. However, Hostwinds only offers a 7-day retention period, which could be an issue if you need to go back further in time. If your site faces issues and you need to restore from a specific date that's older than a week, you could be out of luck with Hostwinds. The fifth thing is the pricing. Scala hosting's backup options are pretty affordable, especially if you're on a shared plan. But if you want that more robust backup solution, you'll have to upgrade to a higher tier plan, which can get expensive fast. Hostwinds isn't necessarily cheaper, but their more advanced features are available on plans that might justify the price if you need them. Lastly, both hosts offer backup guarantees, but neither is perfect. There have been reports of backup failures with both Scala and Hostwinds. While they both offer support to help with issues, it's important to remember that no backup system is foolproof. They both have their limitations and areas for improvement. So, both Scala hosting and Hostwinds offer solid backup features, but in terms of flexibility and ease of use, Hostwinds might be the better option for most users, especially if you're willing to pay a bit more for their business hosting plan. That said, there's an even better option out there that beats both of them in every category when it comes to backups and website management. After testing both of these platforms, if you want a truly reliable and robust backup system, I recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're looking for peace of mind with your website backups, this might be your best bet. So, don't settle for less when it comes to keeping your site safe. Try it out for yourself and you won't regret it.